Happy Monday, everybody. Steve over at iFix'em again. Hey. 2023 Highlander. I'm not sure if I've done one of these for y'all. It's a maintenance or oil change reset. So let's see. We're gonna use these buttons here to scroll over to, I believe it's gonna be settings. And we're gonna go down to vehicle settings. Nope. Let's go down to the other settings. Alright, I went back to vehicle settings and held the OK button. And this is scheduled maintenance. I scrolled down. Of course, you can't see it, but there we go. And I'm going to hit the OK button. And it's going to ask me yes or no. Yes. Reset complete. We're golden. Have a great week.